Golden crispy fried yam, deep in flavor, paired with pepper sauce and fish. This is the kind of meal that disappears in a minute. Welcome back to Melv's Kitchen where tradition meets flavor. Today I'm showing you how to make one of the most loved West African comfort foods. Crispy fried yam, flavorful, paired with pepper sauce and fish. Simple ingredients, let's get started. I'm starting off with a big piece of yam. I cut it into medium sized chunks so it's easier to handle. Then carefully peel off the skin, get it ready for frying. Wash your yam thoroughly and begin to cut them into a medium sized pieces. Not too thick and not too thin, so it's cooked evenly and perfectly. You can also adjust the size to your preference. Now add water to the yam to keep it from changing color whilst you continue with the cutting process. Now I'm adding enough water to fully cover the yam, followed by a tablespoon salt and a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. This turmeric brings out the rich golden color and the salt enhances the flavor. Next, use your strainer to drain all the water from the yam. Next, in a frying pan, add enough oil for deep frying. Let it heat up until it's nice and hot. This is what gives the yam that perfect crispy texture. Once the oil is hot, start adding more yam and let it fry. Stir occasionally until it's perfectly golden and cooked through. Then, carefully remove it and transfer it into a strainer lined with a paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Continue the process till you're done frying. Do you guys see the color? Perfectly fried. Now let's take this fried yam into a next level. Using the same frying pan, add a tablespoon butter, diced onions, and garlic. Continue to saute your vegetables. Now add in your fried yam and toast it gently. Allow all the flavor to coat each pieces. Finish it off with some parsley. This flavor right here is irresistible. Now, if you're feeling a little extra, go ahead and add some fish on the side. I am using red snapper seasoned with my homemade green seasoning. Make sure you check out that video. Use any seasoning of your choice. The fish is nicely coated, so allow it to marinate and give it some time. Now I air fry the fish until it's tender on the inside with a beautiful finish on the outside. Now we are moving forward to the final stage, the pepper sauce. I've got mixed vegetables, nicely diced onions, pepper, everything ready. Using your same frying pan and adding some oil, let it hot and bring in your vegetables. For a special touch, I'm adding oyster or replace with mushroom. Keep on stirring. I'm adding my mixed blend pepper sauce. That's the habanero and onions and garlic. You can add in your seasoning, add in here black pepper, white pepper, and onion powder, chicken bouillon, thyme. Just do your thing. Combine everything together and keep stirring it because you don't want it to burn. I'm adding Maggi cube to taste. In 5 to 7 minutes, the pepper sauce was ready. Very easy recipe. And there we have it, perfectly fried yam, crispy on the outside and packed with flavor. That pepper sauce and the fish take it to a whole new level. When you try this recipe, make sure you let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.